In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set every notification trigger in Notion. By the end, you'll have email notifications tuned so you never miss important activity, page changes, or weekly summaries from your workspace. Start inside Notion and look to the corner where your profile name appears. Click your profile name to open the account menu. This is the quickest way to reach your personal controls without digging through pages. From that menu, choose Settings. The Settings panel is where all your preferences live, and it's the right place to manage what Notion sends to your inbox. Inside Settings, select the Notifications section. Think of this as your control center for both in-app and email alerts. Today we're focusing on email, since that's what keeps you informed even when you're not actively using Notion. Find the email notifications area and make sure it's turned on. This enables Notion to send messages to your inbox when there's activity you care about. If this isn't on, the rest of your email toggles won't have any effect. Next, enable activity in My Workspace. Turning this on means you'll get emails when there's relevant activity across your workspace. Things like mentions, comments, assignments, or key edits in shared pages. It's perfect if you collaborate with others and want timely awareness without constantly checking the app. Now enable Always Send Email Notifications. With this on, Notion emails you even if you've already opened the app recently. If you prefer fewer emails, you can leave this off, and Notion will usually only email you when you're away for a while. But enabling it ensures you receive a consistent email trail of activity. Turn on page updates. This setting emails you when pages you follow or are involved in change. Great for tracking documents, specs, or projects that evolve frequently. If you're responsible for approvals or version reviews, this keeps you up to date without manual checks. Finally, enable Workspace Digest. This is a periodic summary that rolls up notable updates from your workspace into one easy-to-read email. It's especially helpful if your team moves fast and you want a high-level snapshot without getting pinged for every single action. That's it. You've clicked your profile name, opened settings, went to notifications, turned on email notifications, and enabled activity in My Workspace. Always send email notifications, page updates, and Workspace Digest. Notion saves these changes automatically, and they'll apply across devices. If the volume ever feels too high, revisit this panel and fine-tune the toggles to match your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying effortlessly in the loop with Notion.